Friends, I'm up in the middle of the night just having some fun with the neural DSP Mesa Boogie, this new plugin they've come up with, and automatically I'm just having some great fun with it. This is the kind of sounds I really like. I thought I'd just kind of show you some of them and play around with it a little bit. I'm just discovering it. You're seeing me discover it right as I'm going through it. First times I'm hearing any of these sounds. Studio clean. So, I gotta say, I love these things anyway. Twangy crunch. These are just presets people come up with. Boosted boogie. That's wicked. Pretty cool sounds here. Boosted boogie too. Harry clean chorus. Wow. Nice reverbs, nice choruses. I will venture off here in a minute. I'm just going to, and I'll show you some editing of it. Like if we wanted to go to a different cab here, we're going to. It's pretty crazy cool. These are the effects you got, overdrives. I see, it looks like these things are all off on this preset. If I turn that overdrive on, crazy. You got different overdrives here and all. Let's see, let's just take a peep at all the different stuff that we've got. That's going to be the amp. So we should have different amps in here. Is that correct? Where do I go to change that? Or is this just the one amp? It's just, what's this? Aha, look at that. So that's where we got to change the amps. Let's see what we've got here. Pull bright, pull shift. That is crazy. Folks, that is so cool. So you got standby. Look at that. Credit. I don't mean to get caught up just in that one. I'm just playing around. C+ lead. Insane. Solo 212. That is just some very satisfying lead tones. Tight crunch. Thing I'm noticing, I'm not having to hit any noise reduction or anything much on this. The gate seems to be working really nicely on this. Let me back it off. I can hear just the tiniest little bit of noise. This is very quiet plug-in for all the gain that you're getting, which is very cool to me. See, crystal clean. What do we have here? Wow. Cool sound, epic lead. That is an epic lead. I'm just wondering what happens if I switch over. To say I think I like it better through that cab. The delays and stuff might be a bit much, but that's a cool sound. I always like the tuners on these plugins too. I know I've knocked myself out a little bit. The neural DSP stuff comes with these really cool little tuners that give you a cool graphic representation of what you've done to your guitar. I'm playing a GNLS 500, and it's been kind of crazy. Different changes, atmospheric changes out here in the studio, so it's going in and out of tune a little bit. Let's get out of epic lead for a minute here and keep on going. Glassy single coil. So, yeah, if we go in here and just look at the various, let's see where I've lost. Well, here we go. Up here, you got your EQs. What you got your time-based stuff, your delay, your reverbs. Yes. Let's just check that reverb here. What do we got? Pre-delay mix. Has this got the one reverb in it? I'm wondering. Or does it? Let's pick it up a little. Wow. Oh, I see. Oh, that's crazy. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Too much. What's this? This what is a waveform? What is this? What if we reverse these things? All these can be saved. All your edits can be saved. Instagram guitarist. Split coil. It's killer. Let's see, liquid lead. Let's go back to the amps and see what we're set. I just love switching around with the cabinets. This is input mode, mono stereo. I am going mono in. What does the doubler do? Oh, that sounds great. So we go from this to this. That's substantial. Liquid lead, huh? Selective picking. Thump. It's like Georgia Satellites. Warm jazz. It's pretty cool. Dark roast. Oh man, drop rock rhythm. Lead killer. Sort of Eric Johnson-y kind of sounding thing. Make me Morton. Pushed and chimey. Wow. I have to say. Some of this stuff is not what I would expect from a Mesa Boogie, but the tones are really pretty. There's a lot of stuff that's usable here. I have to say, it's not these kind of harsher sounds that I like. Delicate touch is very low output. Maybe it's meant to be that way. That one seems very low output. Awake. Turn the output up on my guitar. Very cool. Ballsier. Woo! That one's a little loud. Could be because I've changed my input a little. That's the first one I think that I would have go in here and changed the gate somewhat on. Let's try the spread, see what this does. Still, that's one of the noisier ones that I've heard so far. Ka-chang. Low roar. That's cool. Sweet, sweet. Soupy lead. Out of tune again. Let's see. Strap bodybuilder. I like it. Surf's up. White and tight. Switching cabs again. Big riffies. There's one that would definitely need some gating. Let's see. Transpose gates off. Oh, here we go. Doesn't take much. Well, maybe a little more than I thought. One thing I've not played around here with is the transpose. I'm wondering. Wonder how far you can go down. And it still sound cool. Tracking seems pretty good. Oh man, so many cool things you can do with this stuff. Dirty, clean effects. It's a spacey kind of sound, man. play and drop E. Let's see, I want to be Radiohead. Sweet. Shoegaze. Whoa. Too harsh in the treble, isn't it? Let's back that off. Still is. Not my sound, that one. So you go in here and you can see all these different artists and stuff, and it looks like I'm just maybe even halfway through. I built the sky, must be where I am now. So you got Jack Gardner, he's got all these different people, Mark Letary. I love Mark's stuff. Let's see what he's done in here. Mark's stuff should be pretty sensible. He's got his baritone in here. As you can see, you're down 3 semitones over here on the transpose. Mark plays baritone with Corey Wong a lot. Chorus funk. Doubler's on that one. Saucy Lee is good. Folks, I could go on all night. It's just incredible. These plugins are just unreal. Yeah, I've not even played with just these regular factory presets here, which I should have been doing. Good night. That was a little clicky sounding to me. That's way noisy. Woo. The Boogie binaural DSP. Whole lot to love about it. Whole lot to dig. Whole lot to explore. Limitless possibilities. Unreal. I'm not even scratched the surface. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like.